Be certain. You don't want to be indecisive on the witness stand. To be persuasive, you must be certain. But what if you don't know the answer to a question? If you don't know the answer, just say so. Don't be embarrassed if you don't know or don't recall information. Don't guess at an answer. You can simply say, I don't know. You are not expected to know or remember everything. Feel free to use different versions of I don't know to avoid repetition, such as I can't recall or I don't remember. There are 3 levels of knowledge or recollection. The first is information that you know or remember well, things like your address. The second level is information that you're familiar with but may not know or recall exactly, like the population of your town. The third level is information that you don't know at all. For instance, what the weather was like in China a week ago yesterday. It's important in your testimony to make it clear which of these 3 levels applies to your answer. Again, if you don't know or recall at all, say so. But if you have an idea, in order to appear helpful, try to answer the question if you can. Watch this next witness. He has a general idea of how to answer the question, but he appears to be unhelpful and uncooperative.
How many times did you speak with Brent Parker between March and June of last year?
I don't know.
Was it less than 10 times?
I don't know.
Was it less than 50 times?
I don't know.
Well, was it more than 100 times?
I don't know.
An answer like this could trigger an "ah, come on now" response from a jury. They will correctly believe that the witness would know if he had spoken to Mr. Parker over 100 times. A better response would have been,
I'm not certain. Maybe between 15 and 20 times.
By answering this way, the witness is not locking himself into a definite number. So, if the attorney can show he spoke to Mr. Parker exactly 17 times, it won't look like he has lied. He has made it clear that he was not certain, but was trying to be as accurate as possible. When you're not certain, variations of I'm not certain include if I recall correctly, or if I remember right, or I do believe. If you've answered a question and are then asked, is that all? A good answer would be, that's all I recall at this time. This response will allow you to add more information later if you remember it.